Welcome to Ngobotonte Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobotonte Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Eloy Lupopo 5. My brother, how's it?
Kunjani Mr. Ncop?
Siyaphila kanjani?
Siyabonga for the opportunity esinikeza yona.
Nazo-ke.
Important.
Ngicela ubatshena abafethu ukuthi bayigama lakho buya.
Uzolile. Phuma khona la umkhenza.
Yeah.
Umkhenza kashayo uyathethisa.
Nazo futhi.
I think mina ngokwami ne igame silose ekitchen.
Yeah.
What a football.
What a game.
What a game.
Yeah.
You know this was not a funeral. We played well.
Yeah.
We played well. But ushot Bartlett uhlalajo.
Yeah.
Lapha ekitchen.
Yeah.
Fana kube nomuntu.
No Williams.
Uyangithola because there were time whereby sidelay ama cross because why? Akunamuntu eboxing. Uyangithola. I-football it's all about the structure and lento leyo angeke uyishift.
Exactly. Yeah.
Uyangithola. If in football there's defenders, there's DMs, there's also strikers. Why? Because it gives shape for everything. So in the shale, and I don't like to play coach and but naye ngabe usolo proud yakhe. Put someone there.
Mabasa at least.
Even noma ungathatha umbokazi umlahlele lapha phambili, but we needed someone who hold the ball because usibonile striker sabo senzani. There were balls whereby bawalahlelile and then wenzani what delay play, draw fouls.
Exactly. Yeah.
And why? Those things work in football.
Exactly. Yeah.
It works. You know, we needed shape.
Yeah.
Exactly. We needed shape. Yes, I knew that Pirates was gonna score 3 goals. But LS4, we needed someone. Ponzinyana, Heranyana, Hlombenyana.
Exactly.
We needed that person also by inkomo ahlale lapha eboxing.
Yeah.
I think this is a learning curve, and you know what I like about this vibe.
Yeah.
Pirates is going somewhere.
Exactly.
We lost, yes.
Yeah.
But
with dignity. Yeah.
But Pirates can compete for quadruple now.
Exactly.
There's a treble, there's quadruple.
Exactly. Yeah.
Pirates is going to win Carling Black Label. And after Carling Black Label, we're going for Nedbank. We're retaining that Nedbank. Ngoba sibanikezile laba. Sibancincisile. Laba sibancincisile. Ngithola. Yes, but manje sifuna back.
Ngithola. Yeah. And then futhi nibhekene league futhi.
I-league manje asana excuse. Manje we need to start winning games. We need to learn from this.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's water under the bridge now. We need to focus phambili. And ubheke ke manje.
Yeah.
Our coach needs to learn from this game. Mr. Ncop.
Yeah.
Ngoba yes, uzamile ukuzana something new. But in somehow bekufuneka ishape ye-strike.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just nje umuntu nje ozoba lapha ekitchen.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ashele noma i2. And congratulations to Ilipompo. It's fine. Let them go through.
Exactly.
Uyangithola asibafisele obubi.
Yeah.
As Pirates fans, we need to come and support this team on Tuesday.
Perfect. All the best on Tuesday.
Siyabonga, Mr. Ncop.
Thank you. Nazo.